Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beacons 101, where we give you mini tutorials on all things beacons. Today I'm going to show you how to add order bumps to your beacons products. Order bumps are a powerful feature that allow you to offer additional products to your customers right before they complete their purchase. This feature is designed to increase your average order value by enticing customers to add more items to their cart for a special offer. By strategically offering complimentary or discounted products at the point of purchase, you can encourage customers to spend more and enhance their shopping experience. Let me show you how. Open up Beacons on the left-hand navigation, click on Store. Once you're in, select the digital product you want to add an order bump to. You're now in the product builder, and you can find the order bump section on the right-hand side under Optional Sections. Click on Order Bumps, then press Add Product, then choose the product you want to add. You cannot change the original price, but you can edit the sale price that you get if you buy both products. And there we have it. Now when someone checks out your product, they'll see this Buy Together and Save section right under the Buy button. They can either press Add Here, or when they hit Buy Now, they'll have the option to add it there as well. Some things to note. Order bumps are only available to digital products and not appointments, courses, or memberships. Also, both products must be in the same currency. If you need additional help, check out our help center in the description below or email us at support@beacons.ai. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.